oh hey, I'm just working on my sand sculpture here, but yeah, it's not coming together too great. Maybe we'll leave this one to the pros. But hey guys, we are here at Treasure Island, sanding Ovations just kicking off. We've got the sand sculptors putting their final touches, more than a dozen sculptures out here for you to see Friday through the weekend. And again, next weekend, we've got all the details on fox13news.com and on our Fox local app. In the meantime, I'll be working on this.